Hello dears, I'm Shohan Muhammad, an English teacher from Clever School. In this video, I'll be talking about idioms in English language. So first, let's see what an idiom is. An idiom is an expression that cannot be understood by the meaning of its separate and individual words. We have to take it as a whole expression. So it has a figurative meaning, not a literal meaning. Let me explain it with examples to make it more clear. For example, when we say it's raining cats and dogs, we don't literally mean that cats and dogs are raining from the sky. No, we have to take it as a whole idea that when we say it's raining cats and dogs, we mean that it's raining very hard. In Kurdish, بكردي كاتك ضل it's raining cats and dogs ما بس معناه إنك الصقوب شيل الأسمان وببارن نختن هم بس معناه كبارن زورو بخورد بارد. Or another example when I say my mom is the apple of my eyes, we don't have to take it literally because if you take it literally, what does it mean? Do our eyes have apples? No, they don't. So we have to take it as a whole expression. When we say my mom is the apple of my eyes, I mean that my mom is very adored and is very special to me. I want to express my deep feelings about my mom. And here in the summer course, I used to teach my students an idiom every day. Now they want to share their favorite ones with you.
My favorite idiom is a little bird told me. That idiom means if someone doesn't want to say where they got some information from, they can say that a little bird told them. For example, my friend asked me that, how did I find out it was my birthday? And I answered, a little bird told me.
My favorite idiom is walking on air. Walking on air means someone's very happy about something. For example, I'm walking on air because the school is going to start.
My favorite idiom is a red letter day. A red letter day is a day that is unforgettable because something wonderful happened. For example, this Friday was a red letter day for me because we went to my favorite village.